So we start off today's video with someone who has super long hair. Wow, she cuts all that hair off. Stylist goes in and cuts off even more hair. Wow. Oh, she looks absolutely amazing with this bob haircut. Wow. What a transformation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more hair transformation. So here we have someone getting a pixie haircut. Ooh, I love the feathered bangs on this. Beautiful shape and texture. Wow, this is gorgeous. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have yet another gorgeous pixie cut. Followed by someone who has mid-length hair. Wow, the stylist also did a pixie with this one. Oh, this is gorgeous. A bit of the pixie bob silhouette. This is absolutely stunning. I love the color. And then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair as well, who decided to switch it up with this long bob style. And then we see someone with long mid-back length hair. Ooh, beautiful shoulder length bob. This does have some nice layers going in here. Very nice. And then we once again see someone with long mid-back length hair. Oh, wow. Gorgeous bob haircuts. Very nice. Her hair is so thick and full. Gorgeous. Next up, we have someone else who has mid-length hair. Looks like she wants to switch things up with a bob haircut. Ooh, love the way that the color looks. Curtain bangs. Wow, this is such a cute style. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.